Good morning, Lenny. Good morning. See that smile. Oh, you just waiting. Lenny. Lenny. Good morning. What? You want some kisses? Okay. Oh, honey. You just laying down. There's a baby. Oh. Lenny, you want some more? What? Oh, he's camera shy. Okay, baby. Like a baby. What are you doing? Okay. I'll give you some loving. Oh, look at the boy. So, we're kind of going to say hey to your new family. Give you kisses in the morning. See you soon.